In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. If you find the new Yahoo Mail layout a bit overwhelming or simply prefer the simplicity of the classic version, you've come to the right place. So, let's walk through the steps together. First things first, you'll need to open Yahoo Mail in your preferred web browser. To do this, go to the address bar at the top of your browser and type in mail.yahoo.com. Press enter, and this will take you directly to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you're not already logged in, this is a great time to enter your credentials and access your email. Once you're in your Yahoo Mail inbox, look to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will see a settings symbol, represented by a gear icon. This is a pretty standard symbol for accessing settings in most applications, and Yahoo is no exception. Click on that icon because this is where Yahoo has organized all of its useful features and settings, allowing you to customize your mail experience to suit your preferences. Now that you've clicked on the settings icon, you'll want to find an option labeled More Settings. It might not be immediately obvious, but it's typically towards the bottom of the menu. Clicking on More Settings will open up a new page filled with various configurations you can tweak to personalize how you use Yahoo Mail. While there are many interesting options here, our focus today is solely on switching back to the classic view, so let's stay on track. On this new More Settings page, you'll notice a list of options running down the left-hand side. Scroll through these options until you come across one that reads Switch to Basic Mail. Go ahead and click on this option. Despite being a small link, it's a potent one as it kicks off the process of reverting your interface to the vintage style that you might be missing. Following your selection, you'll be met with a confirmation prompt and a Switch to Basic Mail button. This confirmation step is crucial as it signals to Yahoo that you genuinely want to make this change. Once you've clicked this button, your page will refresh, and just like that, the classic version of Yahoo Mail will appear before you in all its familiar simplicity. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can return to using Yahoo Mail in its classic view. If at any time you decide to switch back to the modern interface, you can do so by following a similar process. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that the classic view suits your needs better. If you have any further questions or require assistance, feel free to reach out.